As we all know, education is very important not only for the individual development but also for the development of the nation. As we belong to developing nation, now we have good national, international school which really provides quality education for the present and upcoming generation. In such a school, undoubtedly, we have good infrastructure, quality lecturer, excellent playground, school auditorium, lab, and many such things which plays an important role in the development of the child. But these schools have a fee structure which is beyond the reach of lower middle class family. For them, such a school are not affordable. Our government has a school which having a low fee structure, but those schools are in these regional languages. Rani Lakshmibai Social Cultural Educational Trust has came forward for those families. The trust has a school named AIMS. AIMS is an NGO which aspires to provide high class education for the children of poor families.
The faculty comprising experienced educators, it's a dedicated and a passionate towards delivering the education of excellence, complementing the academic program with the facilities such as the interactive broad world-class skating rink, play area and sports amenities, library with a reading room with the different types of knowledgeable books and newspaper. We also propose in football court, tennis court, cricket pitch, indoor sports such as carom, table tennis, chess for the student to discover their area of interest and sharpen their skills. AIMS is your gateway to be a part of unique global learning communities that is a desire, diverse and multicultural, and it wants in its ideology and approach toward life. Now our message by trustee. AIMS Educational Trust, we have a strive hard to make our school so progressive and reputed. We greatly value ethics, moral and best practical educational development and all enclaves international school for the community was our visions and dreams, and we are delegated with the progress.
We plan field trip every year for the children to different places. This field trip come in all forms and sizes, from half day a camping trip out of the city. With the help of this field trip, present a way for teachers to approach knowledge in a completely new way, and for kids to have a fun while learning. Field trip gives children a chance to experience hand-on learning while also being introduced a new environment. These field trips are a great way to break out a route and a boring subject or bring life into something that seems particularly difficult. It also gives kids a chance to get to know each other and interact in a more relaxed environment without a pressure of grades and putting knowledge into practice. We also conducting prize distribution ceremony at school with a speech either by the principal, head teacher or a current student. Other options are a song, dance performance or a reading related to the prizes. With help of this prize distribution ceremony, we encourage the student to boost their confidence to practice them on stage for public speaking.
As a parents, we must spend time with our child, attend to them, care for them, and support them. at a critical time in a true sense. Parents should encourage their children when the child fails at some points in their life. So let's mold them in such a way that they become confident enough to prove themselves in their own way. We will continue to support everyone in school in all its endeavor and are confident that will become one of the best school in our time.